the one hand, as IGA Istanbul Airport, in all our processes from A to Z, we want to provide our guests with a unique experience as well as a perfect one. To our colleagues, we want to establish more inclusive, more accessible, and more sustainable international training ecosystem. On the other side, on the other hand, our main goal is, like IATA's, developing professionals for tomorrow's airport industry. Inclusivity and sustainability are two important values for us that we focus on today. We believe that together with the cooperation of IATA and Istanbul Grand Airport, we will serve these values for our international industry. Amidst of this, it will be of great benefit for all of us to determine the future of aviation after the pandemic and to strengthen the new learning skills and new training methodologies both Istanbul Airport and especially in our region. Frankly, learning patterns have changed drastically in the last decades. It would be too naive to expect different results that will serve the future by applying the old methods. The learning methodologies of new generations, they are evidence-based, learner-centric, data-driven, and blended models like tech-enabled models. The most important value of our cooperation is to provide a unique experiences that closes the gap between theory and practice. Because regardless of the training received, we offer actual hands-on trainings, OJTs, in any operational department related to it. We open our entire airside to our trainees. We promise to teach by latest technology and with evidence-based learning methodology. The saying is, practice makes perfect, but I guess it is somehow rusty in these days. As Dominic Russ said yesterday, perfect practice makes perfect. Therefore, not the quantity of the practice, but quality of the practice. This is what makes Istanbul Airport unique.